The choir coordinator George William Senablia shared with us the historical significance of the festival. He highlighted how this event has become a common gathering place for families during the festive season, addressing a need that existed in the past.
It is a real blessing because there was a gap those years where a parent could not find where to go and celebrate Christmas with their children, with their grandchildren. But God has enabled us to close this gap. This is a family show that has of the year. The Chibitu Chomwaka is an annual family concert. Every year, please come and support us. Come and we celebrate Christ together. Every year we have a different theme. The children have had their good play material. They have enjoyed their Christmas with Father Christmas, with a couple of eats and drinks. So we want to bless God so much for this day, and we request you next year, Chibitu Chomaka 2024. Our dear friends, please come in big numbers.
Beyond the euphoria of music, the festival adopted a comprehensive strategy by providing essential services. Emphasizing the significance of extending free health care to attendees, Dr. Andrew Katumba, the choir's vice chairman, highlighted the own establishment of a medical camp to facilitate diverse health examinations.
The community and all those people who really make such functions, big functions, should endeavor really to be giving the community back to the community what exactly the community deserves. As you are singing for them, also give them medical attention. So in such functions is very, very important. We should endeavor to be doing that.
Our team spoke with Dr. Tuinomjisha Victor, one of the health officials at the medical camp, who detailed the array of free health services provided at the medical camp. Emphasizing their commitment, he outlined the significance of offering accessible health care during such community events.
We are providing services like cancer of the cervix screening, hepatitis B, HIV, diabetes screening, counseling, and more of the other services that need hospital knowledge. So the services are totally 100% free. We are not charging anything.
Attendees at the medical camp shared their reasons for seeking checkups. Their testimonies underscored the value of integrating health services into celebrations, ensuring the well-being of all participants.
Obutuufu mbadde nzizerwa amaaso nebangambye nti abamaaso tebannajja naye olw'okuba bakebera pressure sukaali biki nenjagala nange bankebera era yine gye ndiko
naye ng'ekoze bulungi kubanga etaddewo n'engeri gye tusobola okumanyaamu obulamu bwaffe engeri gye buyimiriddemu. Kubiriza abantu bonna abandirowoozezza kutegeka konsati bweziti okusobola okuteekawo opportunities ez'enjawulo abantu okusobola okwekebeza.
As the day unfolded with mesmerizing performances from gospel artists and choirs, we caught up with festival attendees to capture their thoughts. The consensus was clear: the festival not only uplifted spirits through music, but also played a pivotal role in uniting families.
This is what the church needs to do, to organize their own members, and then they come and enjoy, other than leading youth, young people into discourse among others.
Gospel wensonga simwe bibuulirira ate ebyesuubi era badde nsabya nnyo abatunula abako babatuuliriza bane mwetagide ebintu bino olw'ensonga ebirimu ebyokuyiga ate ogwaguzi eri obulamu bwaffe.
Ebimu bye tusuubira mu bivulu bwe biti nga biteekeddwa amakwaya ag'enjawulo bwe tujja nga tusuubira ebintu bingi. One, marketing, okumanya nti n'amakwaya gano agayimba ennyimba ez'amaloboozi galina kye gasobola okukola, gakola entertainment.
Obulamu buno bunyuma bwe mujja ne tukuŋŋaanako wamu naye nga tukuŋŋaanye
lwanjiri ya mukama waffe Yesu Kristo.
In a harmonious blend of music, healthcare services, and pure happiness, the Gospel Elite Crescendo Choir's festival, that was also sponsored by Church of Uganda Family TV, left an indelible mark on the community.